What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Unbox Monday. So this Unbox Monday, we're taking a look at Revell's 1929 model A roadster 2-in-1. So let's go in the box, see what's in the box, open it up, see what comes inside, and take a bit more detail later on. Alright, let's get started with the decal sheet. So you got a good sized decal sheet, you got some rust that you don't want to do actual rust, you can just use decals. Nice V8 decal for your grill. Pinstripes, your interior, a couple interior panel decals. White walls for your tires and some license plates. Very nice decal sheet. And you got small couple clear parts. So you get your small, medium, and large headlights. Small, medium, large right there, and your main glass right there. So there's not too many clear parts on this kit. Very good, and super clear also. Alright, let's jump straight to the chrome parts. So, you got your engine parts with your filters and stuff, which is awesome. You got 3 of those. Engine parts, you get your valve covers, transmission pan, water pump, oil pan. There's part of your blower, front and back, and there's my actual blower that broke off. And there's your actual blower. Very nice, and your exhaust, side exhaust tips. More chrome. You get your grill right there, super nice grill. Your little gauge cluster, and your chrome trim for your window. And your 2 door handles. This contains your exhaust tips and your front axle and your front axle linkages. Depends which version you do. One is shorter than the other. And then your biggest chrome tree has your wheels, one rear wheel options. You do have another set. This is your one set. Here's your rear axle supports, 2 steering wheels, shifter. Here's your 3 headlight buckets. Baby moons for your one wheel options. Part of your wheel right there, and some suspension. And your pumpkin for your axle. Alright, big bag of parts. So you get your exhaust exit for the back. You get one of your frames here, your frame support. And this is the High Boy version. Now we can give you a little comparison of the other frame you get, which is this is your Low Boy version, so you can see a significant difference. And also comes with the same supports on both chassis, no matter which way you do. You got another set of your exit exhausts, just in case which doesn't matter which version you do, so you do have 2 different versions of the exhaust. Engine tree. Here's your blower head, your blower balls and pulleys, and then your small and large dry shaft, no matter which way you do. Low boy and high boy. Here's your engine. There's most of your engine parts. Here's your outer part, just in case you want to use the filters instead of the actual blower. Here's your main belts and pulleys. Okay. Two interior trees, almost identical. This is your highboy version. So you got your highboy interior panels, highboy seat, radiator, firewall, radiator hoses, steering, and then the lowboy is exact same tree, just the lowboy versions. So your lowboy radiator, you got more radiator hoses, firewall, seat, and door panels, and steering. Very cool. Right, small bag tree parts bag. So you get your main axle right here. Very nice detail. You get your frame / interior pan. You get your dashboard. And you'll for your exhaust that connects to your side exhaust pipes to the rear ones. There's your second choice of wheels. Gas tank, brakes, battery for the trunk, pedals, and then you will not be using this. This is for the 1930 Model A coupe. That is the roof, so you will not be using this. You got tires. You got pins for your wheels and tires to mount to the axles. Speaking of tires, here's your tire combo. So you do get skinny front ones, and you do have decals in the decal sheet to make them white walls as you choose, or keep them plain. Very nice tread pattern, and you get your fat rears with really nice tread pattern. And again, you do have decals for white walls, just in case you want to do white walls or keep them plain. Very neat, and they are flexible, so they're easy to put on the tires. You should have no problem. And the last thing is your main 1929 Model A roadster body. One of these simplest bodies out there. Doors, you know, is very simplified. So there's hardly any cleanup. I don't see any mold lines because it's such a simple mold. He doesn't not make much of a complicated mold for this at all. So no mold lines. Panel lines, they're actually pretty good. I would describe them out just to be 100% sure, just in case, you know, don't get photo with primer, paint, and clear or matte clear. Now the one thing I will have to warn you is I built this kit twice. There is a little injector pin right there. As you can see, it's on both sides of the body. I think that's how they mold it. I'm not really sure, but be sure to throw that in and be sure to really sand the outside, because the paint, certain paint, it does wrinkle up at that tiny spot for some reason. So make sure you throw this in with some putty. And be sure you sand this out here, because for some reason I had it happen twice. I built this kit twice, and both kits the paint wrinkled up on that little spot where that little injector pin is. So be sure throw that in with some putty, and be sure to sand outside here really good before you do any primer or paint, because some paints, like I said, it does do a weird like circle wrinkle on paint. So be sure you keep your eye out on that and throw that in. Other than that, the body is super clean and it looks very, very good. So after taking a very good look at this kit, guys, I really do recommend it. This kit came out about 2 years ago. We reissued it because the original issue got the molds got destroyed and people were asking crazy money for it. But Revell brought it back out, and it is one of the most popular kits out there from Revell. And Revell just released late this year, came out a few months ago by the time this video is being recorded. Revell just released the 1930 Model A roadster, or coupe, I should say, and that is basically literally the twin sister of this kit. So go ahead and check out the Unbox Monday on that one. Link is right there and also in the description. Check out that unboxing after this video. It's technically the same kit, and that's why they're called a sister kit. So check it out and you know why. But other than that, this kit, it's wonderful. No cleanup, hardly any cleanup on the parts. All parts look phenomenal. They're super clean and a very nice kit. A lot of chrome parts, but Just to keep an eye out on that one little piece of a body, like I told you, little injured pin marks inside. It does wrinkle up the paint. Certain paints, not all paints, but certain paints, it does wrinkle up on that little area, which is quite random and quite weird. But other than that, the kit is wonderful. It goes together super well. Like I mentioned, I built it twice, and it's a phenomenal kit. So go ahead and pick one up. They're super cheap, and you know they're all over the place. Mega Hobby, hobbylink, also links in the description where you can get this kit or your local hobby shop. But other than that, guys, that's it for this Unbox Monday. Check out the sister kit Unbox Monday. Again, link in the description. Check that video out. But other than that, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye for now.